Good morning, you guys. It's our
our
anniversary. Woo! Yep, this is one of the reasons why we are going back to Hawaii to celebrate our anniversary.
2 years. Crazy.
Yeah.
But anyways, so like all our vlogs start, we're gonna go get coffee first.
Yep. So let's go. Right now we are at Olive and Oliver. It's a cute coffee shop. So let's go. Hopefully get some cute pictures as well.
If the past is gone, we are doing it wrong. If the past is gone, we are doing it wrong.
Alright, we got our coffee. Audrey had me at Aloha. Hashtag dad jokes. So yeah, good coffee. Chill place.
Yeah, the hotel next to it is super duper cute. Alright, next stop on today's agenda is Leonard's Bakery. And there's a line here as we anticipated. This is gonna be breakfast, guys. Sugar.
So we got our Malasada. It's right there. We waited about 25 minutes, which is not too bad. Consider that the line seems to be pretty long. And we probably gonna go back to our Airbnb and try it out because there's no place to sit in there.
Yeah, that's the only downfall. There's nowhere for you to actually enjoy your malasadas.
Why it's fresh and hot.
Yeah. Alright, so we just got back to our Airbnb. And here are our malasadas. I don't know which one is which.
There's only one way to find out.
Okay, trying it now.
You can hear the crunch. Which one is that? Original? Cinnamon sugar?
Cinnamon sugar.
Rating.
Rating.
Thoughts. Ooh, I have to take a second bite.
It's very fluffy. And kind of dense. I don't know. It's good.
Show it to the camera. Yeah, it does look pretty dense.
But this one doesn't have anything inside, so I don't know. I'm gonna try this one now. Don't know what it is. Pretty sure. Oh my god, it's dripping. It's dripping. Okay, let me see.
No, I think it's custard.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
No, I don't think so.
But
Try the other one, see.
This one, this cream is yellowish. This cream is
Try
white.
it first.
That's magnet.
Exactly. You think I don't know?
Pro tip: your wife's always right, you guys. At least my wife is. Since they make it fresh, it's crunchy on the outside, dense in the inside, like Audrey said, and it's sweet but not overly sweet, and the cream is very creamy. The filling is creamy. Alright, I'm gonna finish eating. Talk to you later. Alright, you guys, so now we're back outside. We're going to go to the McDonald's for lunch because we heard McDonald's here in Hawaii has items that you don't get in the mainland. So we are excited to try that out, and also we're gonna make a separate video to review the food that we're gonna eat here. So be on the lookout for that. But anyway, let's go.
Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo.
So good.
It's actually really good, guys.
And we are back. We're back in Target. Back again. Like we never left. Because we need to buy more water, more sunscreen, and a couple more stuff. Also, because we love Target. Or more like
If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If
another day, another beach.
Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between.
Alright, so the recurring theme of this trip is after the beach, you go get shave ice. So we were at Wyola Shave Ice, and we got POG and lychee, and you can already tell that the ice is very different than all the other ones we've been to. This one looks a lot finer, so I'm excited. Like, it feels very soft, so I'm excited. Okay. That's the kind of ice you want in your shave ice. That's all I can say. And the flavors are really good.
Oh, so excited. Breaking in sweat, huh? This is like the best ice so far. Not too sweet. Dude, this ice is like, it's like slushy. So refreshing.
Alright, so we're about to grab dinner at this like Japanese food court at the Moana Center. And we have a lot of choices, so we get to get a little bit of whatever we want.
So those are all the choices, all the food vendor here. Alright you guys, so we've been walking around for like 15 minutes, and you can actually kind of get lost in here because there are like about 30 different food vendor, and everything tastes so good. Audrey's on her phone researching what we should get right now because it's tough to make decisions in here. Everything looks so good.
Alright, so far we got a okonomiyaki.
Look at that.
And then we also got a spicy mini ramen. And we also ordered a beef katsu because we just want to try everything while we're here. But yeah, so we're gonna try, I guess. I don't even know how to eat this. So many flavors going on. Got a bite of bacon, got a bite of corn, I got part of the okonomiyaki, like doughy part. It's so good. It's creamy. Oh, it's not too spicy actually. There's a little kick at the end because of the chili oil. The flavor is really good. I'm so excited for this food.
Alright, so we might have ordered a little too much, but I was hungry for sure. So Audrey found this dish. It's called beef katsu. The beef is cooked medium rare with a side of shredded cabbage, some rice, that's miso soup. Yeah. First bite. Ooh, yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah, dip it in the sauce.
It's good.
This what? Look at that steak. It's fried to perfection. Shredded cabbage. Ooh, yeah.
It's like a sesame dressing. It's really good. Alright, let's dig in.
Alright, time to eat.
So we thought we weren't going to finish the food, but...
Here we are.
So what do you think?
I think this is a great place to eat. Decent pricing, good quality food. Wish I knew this place better. So far, Honolulu has lived up to its expectations of having great food options. It's always going to be a dilemma of what going to eat here because everything's so good. After this, we are going to take a walk across the street to Moana Park to watch some sunset and to burn off these food that we just ate. So yeah, see you guys at the park.
So we said we were gonna walk, but then we changed our minds because it was gonna be like a 15-minute walk here and then like back. We just drove here and we found parking. So the sun doesn't set for another 30 minutes. So we're gonna take a little stroll along the beach. This is what it looks like.
That's what the beach looks like. Yeah, nice place. So the sun actually just set right behind us and it was pretty.
The sky is slowly changing colors, so...
Great time hanging out with Audrey. She hates when I'm being cheesy. But can't help it, you know? Alright you guys, we just got home. Today was such a fun day. I'm so happy that we get to celebrate our wedding anniversary with each other this year in Hawaii. And just gonna end the vlog right here. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy watching our video, don't forget to like, comment below, and hit that subscribe button for more video in the future. And lastly, don't forget to keep winning at life. See you in the next year. Bye. Oh, by the way, love our outfit. Kind of match.
Yeah. Who are we?
Alright, let's go.